Pigmentation can be a tricky issue whether it's on your face, arms, legs or even on your lips. Don't worry, I have discovered a range of products that can help. Dr. Sheth's Kesar Kojic Acid range combines the power of nature and science to target pigmentation effectively, offering complete care from face to body. This range has it all. In today's video, I will break it all down for you, like what these products do, how to use them, and why they are a game changer for uneven skin tone. Let's dive into it. This range has products for all skin types, if you are oily acne prone skin or if you are a dry skin. First product of this range is this Kesar and Kojic Acid Serum. This is the one which will help you to fight pigmentation on your face, because this product contains a concoction of ingredient which will effectively work on your pigmentation, dark spots and uneven skin tone. Number one, this contains 4% of niacinamide. Now you guys know I always say if you are a person who is tackling pigmentation, then you need to look for niacinamide at 4% of the concentration, because this is the concentration which works the best on your pigmentation. So apart from this 4% niacinamide, this contains kojic acid which will help to reduce your pigmentation. Next, this contains tyrosinase inhibitor which is alpha-arbutin, जो आपके उस pigment को बनने से ही रोक देगा. Next, this contains केसर का extract which will help to brighten up your skin. Hyaluronic acid is there which is great for hydration. Allantoin, betaine, soothing, calming ingredients. Like this one bottle is packed with all of the ingredients which you need for your skin. Texture is really light. It's a watery serum है, बिल्कुल भी heavy feel नहीं होता है, easily layerable है. Brands just कि आप इसको morning and night दोनों टाइम लगा सकते हो. अगर आप morning में लगा रहे हो, make sure you're using a broad spectrum sunscreen, but I prefer to use it at the night time because that's the time when your skin repair. Now next product in this range are these moisturizers. Now if you are a person who is oily acne prone skin, you can go for this Kesar and Kojic oil-free moisturizer which contain all that blend of ingredient including kesar, kojic acid and alpha-arbutin. This particular one contains 1% of kojic acid. Now this got a really nice gel creme texture which feels really nice on the skin. Great for summers, great for all skin types. But if you are a person who range between dry skin, like more towards dry skin, they have got this Kesar Kojic Acid moisturizing cream which has a thicker consistency. Again, the formulation have all those ingredients: kesar, kojic acid at 1%, niacinamide, green tea, panthenol, hyaluronic acid. Everything is there in the tube. Like I said, it's a thicker in consistency. It's a creamy formulation, but I won't say कि थिक है that means कि it will be heavy on the face और आपको बहुत ऐसे sweaty और चिपचिपा लगता है face पे. No, it's set well on your face. सिंक अच्छे से हो जाती है, heavy feeling आपको नहीं आती है. When we are tackling pigmentation, one thing you need to make sure that you're using a broad spectrum sunscreen. What if अगर आपकी सनस्क्रीन के अंदर ही आपको pigmentation fighting ingredients मिल जाए, what better than that? This next product has it all. This one is their Kesar and Kojic Acid Sunscreen with SPF of 50 plus and PA4 plus. Again got that blend of Kesar, 1% Kojic Acid, 1% Niacinamide, and this is a hybrid sunscreen. इसमें आपको mineral as well as organic filters दोनों मिलते हैं, which means कि आपको अच्छी खासी broad spectrum protection इस sunscreen से मिल रही है. Texture of this one is really nice. It's not at all that your old school fashioned sunscreen की एकदम thick heavy white cast छोड़ेगी. It has a really nice gel creme texture जो एकदम ऐसे blend in होती है मक्खन की तरह, and it gives you a very nice dewy face. It's not at all a matte face, it's a dewy face, but that doesn't mean कि ये oily feel होती है. It sink into your skin quickly और बिल्कुल भी heavy feeling आपको आपके face पे नहीं आती है. But if you are exposed to sun, make sure that you reapplying it every 2 to 3 hours. Now with these we are done with the face. Now we are moving on to the body, and for that this one is such an amazing formulation. This is Kesar and Kojic Acid Body Lotion. Again got that Kesar, Kojic and Niacinamide का blend. Has a really nice texture. काफ़ी अच्छे से सिंक इन हो जाता है. बिल्कुल भी आपको heavy feeling नहीं आती है कि आपने पता नहीं क्या अपनी body पे रख दिया है. Has a really nice gel creme texture. One thing which you need to make sure, आप आर्म्स, लेग्स, जो भी पार्ट आपका एक्सपोज्ड है सन पे, यू हैव टू अप्लाई अ सनस्क्रीन, बिकॉज आप बॉडी पे एक तरफ आप ट्रीट कर रहे हो, दूसरी तरफ अगर आप दोबारा से उसको एक्सपोज कर दोगे सन में तो ऑब्वियसली आपकी पिगमेंटेशन ठीक नहीं होगी और इवन आपको रिएक्शन भी निकल सकती है। सो जब भी आप कोई भी एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट वाला कोई भी बॉडी प्रोडक्ट लगाते हो, यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट योर स्किन। एक तो आप सनस्क्रीन लगाओगे प्लस आप उसको फिजिकली भी कवर करोगे। यू कैन कवर योर आर्म्स ईदर विद द ग्लव्स और यू कैन वेयर अ लिनन शर्ट, like whatever is available and how you like to do it. You just need to cover your skin. We're done with the face, we're done with the body. Now it's time to talk about the lip care. And yes, Dr. Sheth's has also come up with their lip care range. The very first one in this range is this Kesar and Kojic acid lip balm. This got SPF of 50 and PA3+. This will give you 24-hour moisturization. The ingredient list of this lip balm is really impressive, starting with the moisturizing ingredients, petroleum waxes and zinc oxide on the top of the ingredient list. Bunch of butters, got a lot of oils, got humectants, we also got vitamin E, and this particular one contain oligopeptide 1, which is a peptide. It's a blend of multiple ingredients, such an amazing formulation, and it's fragrance free as well. but जब आप इसको अप्लाई करते हो you will feel कि हल्का सा इसमें से कुछ खुशबू सा आ रहा है. That's only and only because of the saffron oil जो इसके अंदर यूज हुआ है. Texture of this one is really nice. It's not at all a watery lip balm. It has a perfect consistency which I love because I prefer thicker consistencies के lip balm, and this has that परफेक्ट कंसिस्टेंसी. काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक ये मॉइस्चराइज रखता है आपके लिप्स को. बहुत जल्दी आपको बार बार रीअप्लाई करने की नीड नहीं लगती है. एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट दे हैव कम अप विद दिस chapstick. It's really easy to reapply throughout the day. Like अगर आप travel कर रहे हो या अगर आप बाहर हो तो I think इस तरह की जो packagings होती है ना, they are comes very handy and they are very convenient to use. And if you are a person like me who carry the whole house in the bag and it get very difficult to find out the lip balm, I'm so glad that they have come up with this phone case, kind of similar to Rode, but I'm so glad that Indian brands are also coming up with such product. So just like this, you just put it here and just roam around freely without any worry. Now you might be like कि मैंने अपना फ़ोन क्यों नहीं डाला. that because गलती से brand has sent me a छोटा size. Mine is Pro Max and ये थोड़ा सा size का थोड़ा issue हो गया. Otherwise you know I would have loved to carry my lip balm like this. Also they have come up with another variant which is their ceramide and vitamin C lip balm. This one is specially for people who have very dry and chapped lips because इसके अंदर 1% ceramide complex डला हुआ है, squalane डली हुई है which will help to hydrate your lips, and of course 1% vitamin C भी है जो आपके lips को brighten up करने में भी help करेगा. So if you're a person who's facing deep pigmentation, then go for the kojic acid one. और बहुत light हल्की सी pigmentation है but at the same time बहुत ज़्यादा dry chappy lips हैं, then you can go for the ceramide one. So here is the range of product for you. Now you can choose accordingly. If you're interested to get any of these products, I have a special code for you which is Bhavna 2025 for extra 20% off only on Dr. Sheth's official website. I have provided a link in the description. Do check it out, try them for yourself. और इसमें से कोई भी अगर किसी ने भी ट्राई किया है, do share your feedback in the comment section so that rest of the audience के लिए help हो सके. I hope you found it helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the bell button so you never miss any of our videos. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.